The Air Jordan 1 Mid Psychic Blue is shaping up to be one of 2026's cleanest general releases as Nike continues adjusting its seasonal lineup. With Nike reducing production of major staple models like the Dunk, Air Force 1, and Air Jordan 1 High, the mid version remains the most accessible entry into the Jumpman catalog, making new colorways like this even more exciting for fans. This upcoming pair mixes Psychic Blue, Sail, and Coconut Milk, delivering a soft yet striking contrast that echoes past favorites such as the Hyper Royal and UNC Reimagined. Its cerulean heel, swoosh, and outsole blend smoothly with gray overlays and a faux-aged midsole, offering the premium look without the premium scarcity. While Nike hasn't announced an exact release date, this Air Jordan 1 Mid is expected to arrive on Nike.com and retailers as part of the Spring 2026 lineup. Sneaker watchers should keep this colorway firmly on their radar,